Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time on a Citizen radio control ecodrive with caliber H144 or H145.
The first step is to pull the crown once to position 1 and turn the crown to face the second hand to your current city. I will choose New York City as my current city. Once you are done, wait for the hands to stop moving. Pull the crown one more time to position 2 and turn the crown to select Daylight Saving Time, Summertime, on or off depending on your current city. Press the lower right button one time and turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to set the minutes of your current time. Press the lower right button one more time and now turn the crown to set the hour of your current time or current city. Pay close attention to the date window to know if you are in the morning time AM or in the afternoon time PM. Once you are done, press the lower right button one more time and now you can turn the crown to set the date. Press the lower right button one more time and now it's time to set the month and year. Basically, we're gonna use this table that I prepared to turn the crown to face the second hand to one of these positions. For example, for May 2019, it's position 28 minutes mark. So we're gonna turn the second hand to face the 28-minute marks as shown in the video right now. To finish and exit the setting, press the lower right button one more time and push the crown back to the 0 position. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.